Hey guys, what is up? While Sean is cleaning right now, I'm going to kind of give you guys a rundown of what's going on. I am outside of Moohah Adventure's van. You guys are travel van lifers, correct? You guys are like part-timers, I guess?
Correct.
Yeah, part-time van lifers.
Weekend warriors.
Weekend warriors, that's a better term that I love to use. And we are going to meet Sean, we are going to meet Paige, and I believe we got Quinn on the roof up here now. It makes sense, you know?
Yeah.
She's a climber. But I'm gonna flip this around and let them do all the talking because their van is super cool as a weekend warrior van. Here we go. Hi.
Hi.
It's very nice and cozy in here. So give me the rundown of your van, man. This is pretty cool.
All right.
Or unless Paige, you want to do the talking?
Okay, so this is our like kitchen sliver right here.
Kitchen sliver, is that what you just called it? I love it.
That's what I like to call it.
Okay.
Because we have our microwave, our sink, which is just right in there.
Yep.
Nice and dirty.
Yep, super dirty.
Now,
And
Paige, even before we get going, you told me something on my live stream earlier that you said that you designed the van. You and your sister designed the van, and Dad was just here to pay for all of it, right?
yeah, so right here are like our two favorite
Tough crowd.
features. So like this was the thing that I mainly did was like the yellow fridge.
Very nice.
It's actually kind of like why we started our Instagram account, Moohah the Adventures. It was like basically I wanted the yellow fridge, my dad didn't.
Okay.
And
You didn't want one?
I wanted to have a normal, not so colorful, kind of woodsy dude van.
Yeah.
And they had other
well, there are no
designs.
unicorns. Have you
Lot
seen
of
any
unicorns.
other woodsy dude vans here though?
You know?
I love it. I love it. Paige, I'm with
The
you.
cabin
You-
thing.
I love it.
It's amazing. We dig it. We dig it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the other ones
Yes,
are
ma'am.
like look good, but your design like wasn't on point. Okay, but like anyway, so yeah, we have the yellow fridge, and the people at like ADF were super nice, and they were like, oh yeah, instead of doing like the isotherm, this model, we'll do this model,
Okay.
and like do this. So yeah, and then this is Quinn's favorite feature. Quinn, take it away.
This is the unicorn rainbow light,
Whoa.
which you can choose any mood you are in.
That's
And
pretty
you
cool.
can turn the colors up to make them brighter, or turn them down to make them darker.
I love it.
And you can make them change colors.
The lights go everywhere. They're all over the van. They're
There.
Yeah.
very nice.
And there.
Cool. So I actually thought when the lights were going in that it's something we would never use, and we use them all the time.
Every
Every day. Like they set the tone, right?
Yeah,
so St. Patrick's
absolutely.
Day is a little bit of green, and
Absolutely.
Valentine's Day is red, and the tone usually at night's kind of like a dark blue, and our default is definitely unicorn pink for sure.
Thank
for
you.
sure.
You guys have a front area that you turned into not just seating for while you drive, because we need to have it, you know, DOT certified, correct? Mm-hmm. But you have it as your, I guess, your kitchen, like eating area.
Yeah. So basically, because we're in the 144 Sprinter, which is the shorter wheelbase, and we have to have the forward-facing seat for the girls to travel in, we lose a lot of space. So being able to turn these around and turn this into our lounge area gives us a lot more usable space. And we find a lot of times that even if we are with friends who have couches and stuff in vans, a lot of people end up just gravitating here because there's actually kind of a seating area.
Yep.
Yeah, it works out really great for us.
And here's the toilet.
Oh, the toilet.
Oh, the toilet. Okay. What do we got?
Toilet.
The toilet in the back
You
here.
can flush it.
Yeah, with the pull handle, right?
Like up here, obviously is our bed, but like up here we also have like a bunch of L-track, just super useful. Comes in handy like all the time for everything. Like we have like a bit down there on the floor, and we tie Lewis to it. Like it's kind of just like his spot. And
Well, Lewis is the dog, correct?
yes.
That's good to clarify that.
We want to make sure.
Just some dude named Lewis.
Some guy named Lewis. No, Lewis is actually right here.
here's down there.
He's just chilling.
We're talking about you. Yeah.
And then we have it in there, so like whenever we go on big trips, like to Utah and stuff like that, we have like all of our bags and stuff up there ready to go. Make sure they're not like just clunking around.
Very good. You know, I know I'm gonna get some questions on all of this right in here.
Yeah.
And you know, it's really nice to make this into a separate room, especially on a 144, guys, right? It's small and it's very colorful. I love it. Obviously, we like colors, right, Quinn? Yeah! So, like, who made all of your window coverings and whatnot?
That's our company, Moohah Creatives.
Okay.
And this came out of a real necessity and really the girls' designs, because as we were building ours out, there weren't really a lot of options that weren't just like dark colors or solid colors or very utilitarian. So
Yeah.
we have like several different fabrics. We have an African mud cloth and serapes, and then we also do custom fabrics, and they're all held up with like super strong rare earth magnets, and they just pop up really easy.
Yeah.
And we
Most importantly, they're insulated.
they're fully insulated, they're fully blackout, and we do Sprinters, ProMasters, Transits, and E-Series, and other custom ones too. And we do 5 different styles stock, and then anything custom as well. And then from that kind of became us branching into other fabrics, which are some hand-loomed Mexican blankets, some Moroccan silk pillows that you see peppered around here.
I believe you guys have one of your blankets right here.
There
correct?
we go. Yeah, that's our tight weave that we use for beach blankets all the time. Great utility blankets. It's tight weave, so the dirt doesn't come through.
Awesome.
Easy to clean.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show this real, because this is super cool up here, right, Quinn?
Yeah.
Yeah. I see a unicorn right here as well.
Also, like
Unicorn
another
below.
thing about Moohah Creatives is
Yeah.
we have our metal straws, which are
Yes.
like probably just one of my favorite things in general that we started doing. Cause like one of my big goals
Yeah.
is to like just like reduce single-use plastic, and it's so like cool that you can do that. And like even though it's not like all about saving sea turtles, it's kind of like the easiest thing to imagine you like saving a sea turtle's life. So I mean, with these, we kind of can every day instead of
Those are super
killing
cool.
one.
Yeah, and they're metal, right? I heard them
Yeah,
clanging in
metal.
there.
It has
rainbow.
two bent, 2 straight, and a straw.
And you can find that all off of your website, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's the website?
Moohah.com.
What's the website?
Moohah.com.
Moohah.com. You want to spell it for me, one of you?
M-O.
MOOHAH period. COM.
Thank you. Awesome.
And then like you can also like find a link to that off our Instagram. So our main one, which is just like us being like strange people, is Moohah Van Adventures, MOOHAH Van Adventures.
Van Adventures,
And we also have our more like businessy, like actually like kind of put together account, which is Moohah Creatives. So
And Moohah Creatives is where all your stuff is, right? That's
Yeah.
where your creative minds come together and you guys create amazing window coverings, you create blankets, Not the Dog, and you create the amazing straws. And we are at the VanLife App Meetup Gathering, and we got blankets everywhere.
Yeah, the explosion of color here.
Are these chairs yours too?
Yeah.
They are?
These are not yet, but we're going to be adding those to the line pretty soon.
Uh-oh.
So breaking news here.
Yeah, breaking news.
Hopefully.
You guys have ADF did your build.
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
ADF did yours. We'll give them a plug.
Yeah.
You have a roof rack on top.
Yeah, so ADF this is a 144 Sprinter
Yep.
4x4.
Okay.
And ADF did the entire build, soup to nuts. And yeah, we have a roof rack on top. We have solar by Zamp Solar.
Yep.
And we have a ladder to the back with the showers in the back of the van.
You want to go check it out? So now I'm in the back with Sean, and I would have hit my head underneath that bed, but you guys fit quite nicely.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, so
Okay.
one thing quickly, I want to say like one thing quickly just on the bed. These are on platforms, so
Oh, yeah.
these can pop off here,
And then
we can
becomes a
take
party
off.
bus.
Yeah, we can take off the 3
Oh, that's super
platforms
cool.
really easy,
And then we could slide
and we
in.
can put another 2 seat bench right here.
Oh, wow.
So we can move 7 people, so it turns into the party bus.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
That's why we were a good party bus. Okay.
Let's like demonstrate the shower.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, hand me the shower curtain. I will act as like the ring thingy.
Okay.
Okay. We can do that.
Shower curtain comes here between the doors.
Me, I'm the shower curtain.
Oh, you're
I
the
need to
shower
roll.
Okay.
Oh, I've seen these. These are super. I've never seen one in person.
Yeah.
Okay,
so this
so-
is the yep. So take the
This
board
goes out farther, but like. Thanks.
Cover it out.
Okay,
I love
board
it.
goes here. This goes between these 2 things
Yep.
here, so it gives you a little privacy.
Just so you know, we do not sell this.
Nope. Well, let's show Quinn. There. Oh, you can't see Quinn. She could be taking a shower back there right now.
It would, yeah, well, obviously hook and, yeah.
Yeah, we just hook it
I
in
think
there.
we get that, yep.
And so basically, then we just take this, and we just pop it in down here.
There's your whole shower container and
And
everything.
it's, yep,
How many gallons of water?
yeah. We have 30 gallons.
That's a lot, yeah, that's good.
30 gallons.
Don't turn it on.
Can you turn it on right now?
No.
Oh, I don't have the pump on. Turn the pump on.
Ah,
This would be a tough shower, Quinn. I don't know what she's doing. I don't know what's happening.
ah, there she is. Now she's up
Hi,
top.
you're up top.
Just like that.
Okay.
Nice. So that's amazing. See, that entire bed is removable. You got a shower in the back here, so there's a
Yeah.
lot of options that you came up with.
We tried to keep it really modular, and then we ran the L track everywhere in this thing, so it keeps it really, really
Wow.
easy for skis,
Yeah.
surfboards, all that type of stuff.
It's your total adventure van. I love it. Yeah.
Hold on to this for 1 second, though. It's not on. Yeah, so
You
do
even
like
got
a,
your Moohah
let's do
back
a
here.
picture where you're looking at it like it's a microphone, basically, right? Just get the thing. And just see it.
Oh, there it is. The water's coming out. Uh-oh. You turn the pump on that easily?
Yeah, the pump is just on the controls.
Oh, wow.
Under the fridge. Yeah.
Oh, so did you signal Paige to turn it on?
Yeah, but then you took off and went upstairs. You outsmarted us.
This is Moohah at its finest. I love it. They are like,
Shenanigans.
I love it. I could definitely travel with you guys.
Yeah, very fun. Come on
yeah,
in.
It would be.
Yeah, as long as you're not like Lewis, getting stuck to the.
Yeah, Lewis is cool beans, man. I like he's, not very energetic right now, but he was earlier.
Oh yeah, he was
up
wiped
there.
out right now. Yeah.
He's wiped up, he's pooped. But guys, check out Moohah Creatives, check out Moohah.com. Is it just Moohah.com?
Yep.
Wow, check out Moohah.com. I'll put all the links in the description below. Say hi to this one's Paige, and where's Quinn? Quinn's over here. Those girls are awesome, and we got Sean.
All right,
Thanks, guys.